In November 2025, the team behind openpanel dev, an open source analytics dashboard that demands lightning fast performance, took a bold risk. They ripped out their entire Next.js frontend and rebuilt it with Tanstack Start in just a couple of weeks, part-time, while still shipping new features. The reason? Page transitions had grown subtly heavy. Debugging opaque server-client boundaries consumed entire days. The dashboard that once felt snappy now felt sluggish. And they couldn't pinpoint why. Every attempt to trace performance issues led them down rabbit holes of framework internals they didn't control. The switch to Tanstack Start delivered immediately. The dashboard loaded noticeably faster. Navigation snapped into place instantly. Performance issues traced directly to their own logic instead of battling invisible framework rules. This was mounting frustration finally resolved, and they're documenting everything publicly so other teams can follow the same path. Tanstack Start is a full-stack React framework built by Tanner Linsley, the same developer who created React Query, the library that fundamentally changed how millions of developers handle server state. If you have ever used React Query, you know the impact Tanner's work has had on the React ecosystem. It took data fetching from a chaotic mess of use effect hooks and turned it into something elegant and predictable. He is bootstrapped. He's building Tanstack full-time, funded by companies that pay for support. And that's what makes him different from other framework creators. That means Tanstack Start exists to solve developer problems. That's it. That's the entire business model. The framework optimizes for developer experience across all platforms equally. The framework gives you full-stack type safety from your database queries to your front-end components. Real compile-time type safety that catches errors before they ever reach production. It uses Tanstack Router for type-safe routing with clear explicit definitions. Every route parameter, every search param, every piece of loader data, all fully typed. Your IDE knows exactly what data is available on every page, and TypeScript won't let you make mistakes. And here's the killer feature that's making developers rethink their entire architecture. Server functions that completely replace the need for trpc, GraphQL, or REST APIs. You write a function on the server, import it on the client, and it just works with full type safety and zero boilerplate. Think about that for a second. You write functions that work across the stack. You change a return type on the server and your client code breaks at compile time, exactly when it should, not at runtime. Everything is typed end-to-end automatically. Let's talk numbers, because better needs to be measurable, not just marketing speak. Bundle size. Tanstack produces builds that are 30 to 35% smaller than equivalent Next.js applications. That's the difference between a site that loads instantly on a flaky mobile connection and one that makes users wait while staring at loading spinners. Tanstack Start leverages Vite for near instant startup. We are talking milliseconds. Hot module replacement updates code changes immediately. You save a file, you see the change. That's how it should work. Resource consumption follows the same pattern. Tanstack Start remains lean during development, consuming minimal CPU and RAM without bogging down your machine. For dashboards, SaaS products, and admin panels, caching control is critical. Tanstack Start is built for this. It uses React Query to follow a stale while revalidate approach, where you clearly define when the data refreshes, nothing happens automatically behind your back. The caching rules are explicit, predictable, and fully under your control. Let's walk through what building with Tanstack Start actually feels like in practice. You need to fetch user data and display it. You write a server function that queries your database. Maybe it's Prisma, maybe it's Drizzle, maybe it's raw SQL. Doesn't matter. You import that function in your component, you call it with useQuery. Done. Full type safety from database to UI. If your database schema changes, your TypeScript errors tell you exactly what broke and where. You want to add a new route? You create a file in your routes directory. Define your loader with types. Tanstack Router handles the rest. Clear explicit code that does what it says. Your code runs where you expect it to run. Tanstack Start can be deployed to all major JavaScript hosting environments you care about, from vercel, and Netlify to Cloudflare workers, or your own node server, because it's powered by Nitro and Vite. You write your app once and target whichever host you choose without reinventing your deployment setup. The underlying build and server handles the rest. Kyle Gill, in his detailed comparison after migrating much of his stack away from Next.js, notes that Tanstack's approach, especially its router, exposes what is happening more transparently and feels easier to reason about than Next's abstractions. I would highly encourage all of you to check out his blog post. openpanel's migration story reveals something crucial about the current state of React frameworks. They started on Next.js 14, which seemed straightforward enough. Server-side rendering worked, data fetching made sense. Then the app router arrived with React server components. Suddenly, components started running exclusively on server or client without clear visual signals in the code. Caching behavior shifted based on folder placement and file naming conventions. Data fetching tangled into suspense boundaries that proved tough to follow and debug. The dev server routinely needed 25 to 30 seconds to launch on their relatively modest code base. And that's every time you restart, every time you switch branches, and every time something breaks and you need a clean slate. Those seconds compound into hours of lost productivity every week. Tanstack Start emphasizes a client-first application model while still offering full server-side capabilities that you opt into when needed. By default, you build highly interactive client-centric experiences, and you can selectively enable server-side rendering or other server features for use cases like SEO or initial page load performance. The result? Predictability. When something breaks, you know exactly where to look because the execution model is transparent. You are debugging your code, your logic, your architecture. Tanstack Start reached its release candidate milestone in September 2025, signaling that its API is feature complete and stable. Today, the broader Tanstack ecosystem, which includes Start along with React Query, Router, Table, and other tools, is tracked in usage by thousands of companies worldwide, spanning startups and large enterprises. And that's production usage at scale. That's companies betting their businesses on this technology. John Resig, the creator of jQuery, the library that once powered 70% of the entire web, publicly endorsed Tanstack Start, specifically calling out server functions as the feature that makes traditional API layers obsolete. When developers at that level of experience and influence start paying attention and putting their reputation behind something, it's validation from someone who's seen framework wars play out before. Frameworks don't ultimately win on GitHub stars or marketing budgets. They win on trust, on whether developers believe the framework will solve real problems without creating new ones, on whether it makes daily work easier or harder, on whether it respects your time and intelligence. Tanstack Start positions itself as a full-stack framework for React and Solid.js built around end-to-end type safety, from server functions and loaders to the client UI, while supporting deployment across a wide range of modern JavaScript runtimes. It's trying to do the important things right: fast development, real type safety, simple deployment, transparent behavior. This is about choosing tools built by developers for developers. Tools that respect your time and intelligence without hidden magic or vendor lock-in. If you have seen my earlier video on why trust in Next.js is eroding, you know how costly lock-in becomes when architectural choices stop serving developers. Tanstack Start is still in release candidate, so take the excitement with a grain of salt. But the direction is clear, the community is growing, the ecosystem is forming. Every developer who switches seems to discover what the openpanel team did. Sometimes the best way forward is choosing tools that work with you. The question isn't whether Tanstack Start can compete with established frameworks. The question is, how much longer will you accept the overload? If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Let us know in the comment section below what you think about Tanstack Start and have you tried it? As we'll see you soon in the next one. Till then, peace out.